So what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. We are here again with another amazing video. Hope you guys like the video and don't forget to punch the subscribe button and the bell icon to be updated in the future. So in today's video we are gonna talk about Instagram hacks, that how you can upload stories from your laptop or PC on Instagram. So without wasting time, let's get started. First of all, open your browser and open Instagram. So as you guys can see, I have opened my Instagram account. So before we start our video, I want you guys to remind of a thing, that if someone of you want to learn web development, web design development, so they can follow this page, Coding with Money, to learn web design development from scratch. And we have uploaded everything in detail, so just check it out. So let's start our main video. After opening Instagram, simply click on Inspect and then on this tag, Toggle Device Toolbar, just click on it and it will be like a mobile device. Then go to left top of your desktop screen and then, so as you guys can see, our Instagram is now in mobile application mode, like in Android or iPhone. So we are gonna select first any of phone model, like we are gonna go with iPhone 12 Pro. So here you can see it seems like mobile phone. So just click on your story and then Instagram. As you guys can see, there are all those options which you find in a mobile device, like you can write a text easily, and if you want to customize this, you can do it also, and if you want to add some stickers or anything, you can also add this too, and then simply click add to your story. So as you guys can see, our Instagram story is uploaded now. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. That's it for today. See you in the next video.